Hey everyone, just excited about our Globe Shakers training that's going to kick off on Tuesday next week. And here's some things that you need to prepare as we start to get our heads around experiences. You guys are going to be involved in a active interactive workshop, and one of the things that we need you to do is ensure that you have the Within app on your mobile phones. Now the Within app is easiest to find just by searching for it in Google. Type in just as you can see in the screen and click on the link that's at the very top. That'll take you to a website that shows you exactly what the app's all about. It's going to be a virtual reality experience, and I know it'll be a challenge, but try and not watch these before you come and see us. So when you get on your mobile phone, go to the Get the App and then choose either App Store or Google Play to download it. Now, once you've downloaded the app, which is reasonably small, you'll be able to see all of these different interactives that we're going to be playing around with as part of our session. The ones that I need you to download are Clouds over Sidra and The Source. These are quite large files. I think they're about 1 gigabyte on your mobile phone. So please ensure that you do this at the school, on the school network. And if you have problems getting your mobile phone on the school network, please go see the IT help desk. They know you're coming and they have a fact sheet that will help you get on. If you've got any questions, please just email either myself at robertlove@gihs.sa.edu.au or Miss Penner. And yeah, look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday. Thank you.